Hi, this is Casey Potetz, and I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial on activating the immune system with acupressure. So in Chinese medicine, we refer to the concept of Wei Qi, it's spelled W-E-I, Qi is Q-I, and that's our defensive energy. So when we're asleep, this energy goes dormant. When we wake up, it starts to activate. So the best time to do this acupressure sequence is in the morning. So what you want to do is we're going to activate something called the Jing points. These are the points that are on either side of the nail bed on all 10 fingers and 10 toes. So we want to just kind of rub those. I like to use my knuckle to get the tender points. And just 5-10 seconds each. You can do it while you're still in bed or as you're waking up. And then these are also related to the brain, so you might feel more alert or awake after doing this. It's also used for things in the face and the upper neck, so nosebleeds, sore throat, stuffy nose, eye infection, neck stiffness. These are good points to activate. Nice deep breaths, relaxing while we do this. Then you want to do all 10 toes as well. Okay. The next point is called Gou, which in English means joining valley. So this is also referred to as large intestine 4. It's at the border, these 2 fingers right in the web. It's on the highest mound when you close your fist like that. Okay, so large intestine 4, Gou. It's really for activating the immune system of the whole body. Specifically goes to the face. It's a great point for allergies. Nice deep breaths. And anytime we're doing acupressure, you can just hold and pinch. Okay, or you can just give it a nice massage. If you're lucky, you can have someone else do it for you, just as long as they wash their hands. Nice deep breath. Okay, and then lastly, this is probably every acupuncturist's favorite point. It's called Zusanli, which means leg 3 miles, roughly translated. So it's said that when you activate this point, the patient can walk an extra 3 miles. So you find it it's on the lateral side below the knee. And maybe I should stand up to show you guys. Okay. So lateral side, there's this bony prominence right here. So if you run your finger up, you're gonna stop here where the bone is, just below the bone, and that's the point. They say it's about the size of a quarter. So anytime we're doing acupressure, we're looking for that tender spot. So right in there. And I have delicate fingers, so a lot of times I'll just get in there with my knuckle if I don't have a needle handy. Okay, just 5 or 10 seconds. And let me do the other side. So again, running all the way up until we stop, and then that's the point right there. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope everyone is staying healthy and safe and staying home. And I hope to see you all very soon.